Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, November 7th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, it turned out to be a good election night. No matter, I don't know who you listen to for news, but the Republicans had a very good night last night, and as a result, the stock market took off, and the Dow gained 545 points. And I'm again showing you the 30-minute bar in the Dow here, so you can come back here and see where I called the low of the correction right back there. And it's continued to move up, and this is clearly through some major resistance areas. I think we're only about 1,000 points from all-time highs where we are right now. So I'm expecting that we'll see that very shortly, and this should improve our trading, which has been absolutely terrible. And unfortunately, what I have to be excited about today is we basically broke even. But things have been so bad that breaking even is even pretty good. Hey, I'm still very optimistic about this, but we've really had some bad luck in some of our individual stocks, and it has been frustrating. Anyway, the Dow had a fantastic day. We had pretty much a break-even day. We had 5 positions coming in, and we closed those out with negative $7,200. I'll show you the cause of that in just a second. We got into 14 new positions on this rally. 8 were positive, 6 negative. We're carrying $6,600 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. Anyway, I'm showing you just this because this has been our biggest problem. Is we keep getting in these really terrible individual stocks, and I am picking these stocks, and that's what's frustrating to me. This is Frontier Communications Corporation. We had bought this yesterday. It basically closed break even, and then you can see what happened. It just collapsed this morning, and that cost us $7,600. That's where all our loss is. And I'm not picking these stocks to lose money. This thing is this is new into our portfolio. Just put that in, and I put it in because in part it had excellent performance recently, and all indications were this should make money for us. Yet I get in here and it just absolutely kills us on the first trade. And this is probably an earnings report. I'm not too sure what caused this, but we've had too many of these. And I've been doing a lot of trading, and this is over many years, and this is nothing new. But the thing is, I'm used to getting in and then having them go the other way in our favor once in a while, and that isn't happening. It's just like we're getting killed on these news and earnings reports. Anyway, I will try to refrain my complaining, but this has been absolutely horrible, and we've been having some very bad luck. I will show you one stock today that did go pretty good for us. This is also a new stock, I believe. NBEV, New Age Beverages Corporation. And this thing, you can see here, it took off at the end really strong. And we grabbed the pop-up there the first hour, and it really topped out here. About $5,000 we were up there. It did pull back, but we're still up $3,000 on New Age Beverages, so let's hope that goes pretty good for us. Anyway, I want to say, at least we didn't lose big money. This is Trader Bob signing off. Be back here tomorrow on Thursday.